the topic for today's discussion is how to be more social. Now, you might say that why being social is such an important skill in today's life. You may say that having more money or being much more skilled in a particular skill like day trading, crypto may be much more better for us. So, why being social? So, my counterpoint to that will be that we humans have been on this earth for around 500,000 years, and we have survived, even thrived for all this time. How? By being social. We were useful to the tribe, and thus the tribe would protect us. So this was a bisocial relationship. We both benefited from each other. Now how will you have people who you will benefit from? By being freaking social and by helping them out. So the first point, you have to be social. That's a non-negotiable. You can't just think that, oh, I won't be social. That's never gonna happen. Just don't. So the next point is, there are two easy things which you can do and which will make you much more desirable and which will make it much easier to be social. The first thing is obviously get in the best shape of your life, because nobody hates or everyone loves a beautiful or a handsome man. That's just a fact. That's just a pure brutal fact. The second thing is earn a lot of money. Now when you are fit and you have a lot of money, the social part gets 70% easier. So these are the two things which you absolutely should focus on. Now the third thing is that you might say that, oh sweet, I will do these two things. Now it will take me a good few years to achieve this. Like getting pretty fit will take me around 6 months, and building a good business or getting a good job to pay me well will at least take me around 6 to 7 to 8 months. So sweet, till that point I won't talk. Oh, I will just focus on myself. But that's the wrong path to take. You might say, you might ask why, and I would say that you are not one of those type who would want to have people glorify you just because you have a better physique or money. You want to build, chances are that you want to build a really good and personal relationship with them. So how would you do that? By simply being more present and social with them. Not in the Instagram kind of way, but in the real sense of by engaging with them in topics, in conversations, in deep conversations, in philosophical contexts, and many more. So you want to have the capability to actually converse with people, and this is something which we are inherently not born with. We need to develop over time. You also might know some friends who are incredibly fluid with girls, and some just barely struggle to even talk to one girl. So that's one issue. Like, why do I even make these kinds of videos? You can even ask me. It's because I don't know how to communicate. And through this video, to the format of this video, I'm trying to communicate my ideas to you. And if this communication works, if you understand what I'm trying to implicate, then yeah, I think that I served a great purpose today. So yes, you have to be social in the meantime. Don't put it off for later. Now how you can be social? Just start by talking to strangers on the road. Like, I live in Daliganj. It's a place, and when once I was like really shy, and I would just go out and I would ask people that, oh, how do I go to Daliganj? And they would tell me that, oh, you go from this lane and then you take a right and then left, and I would say okay, and obviously I would know the better path to going to my house, but I would still talk to them, and it's a win. So that's what my point is. I'm feeling a little coldish right now. Yeah, please forgive me for my bad voice. So the next point is approach new strangers on the street. Second, try to write a lot, because when you do write, you actually have much more clarity of thought, and you can actually communicate your ideas way better. That's the thing which I have personally found in myself, and I see many people say that, because when you write, you actually put your thinking, or basically your mind, on paper, and thus when your mind is on paper, you can actually see them with your eyes, see that typing with your eyes, and thus it's very easy to actually remember those points. Because, and you also know that when we are verbally communicating, we are not thinking that much, it fucks with us, you know. But when we are writing, we are editing, and then we can actually stop and think that what do we want to write, and many ideas start to come to us. So that's the main point. So write a lot. And second, if you are a man, try to talk to girls. Like, just try. Even if you fail, then it's still a win. Like, most of the times I'm too afraid to talk to a girl. I'm just too afraid to talk to a girl. But at those times, when I tell myself that the basic thing which I need to do is just talk to a girl, it doesn't matter if she rejects me. Like, who fucking cares? If I just talk to one girl, that's fine. That's totally fine, and I would give myself the win for the day. So yeah, my filter for success for that day will be that, oh, I talked to a girl. It's not that I need to dress her up, I need to bag her up, I need to get her Instagram or something. I just need to give her a compliment that, oh, you look nice, and yeah, have a great day. And that's pretty much enough for me. I'm at that basic level. So you can start there too. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Okay, so yeah, being social is just that easy. You can obviously join many clubs and stuff to get to try to meet new people, because when you're not meeting new people, how can you even talk to them? So, like, for example, I have joined a gym, and I also go to a boxing club every day. Apart from my college, these are the two things which I do regularly, or I would be doing regularly. So find your best 3 to 4 things which will make you much more social, and don't restrict yourself to 1 or 2 habits. You can have many. That's the goal in life, to learn new things and have novel experiences. So don't worry, just go out there and talk to people. You would be astonished to see that how many of people actually love to talk to you. Like, they are just praying that someone comes and converses with them. They're that lonely. So fill your loneliness and yours too by being social.